guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nisha. My name's Nisha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Princess Jasmine Halloween look, or if you just want to do a Princess Jasmine costume any time of the year. So I gave you something kind of spooky with my half skull, and I wanted to do something kind of more elegant and pretty if you want to look dazzling for Halloween. So if you want to see how I create this look, then continue to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm actually going to lighten up around my eyes first before I apply eyeshadow. One of the palettes I'm going to use today is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. This is one of my favorites. I love the shades in it. I'm going to use this lighter, more tan shade, and I'm going to use it for my crease. And then I'm going to take this more like pinky shade, and I'm actually going to use it just above where I put the other tan shade, just to blend it in nicely. And then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. Obviously it's one of my favorites because of the colors. They're so bright. And I'm going to take this more like tealy shade, and I'm going to put it all across my lid. And then back to the Moroccan Spice palette, I'm going to use this blue shade, and I'm going to put it in my outer crease. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown eyeliner, and I'm just going to be doing this for the wing. And then I use my Kat Von D tattoo liner to darken it up, as well as go all the way down into my inner corner. And then I'm going to apply mascara to my eyelashes before I apply my lashes, so that they blend in perfectly. For primer, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty primer, and we're going to get started onto applying makeup on our face. I'm going to be using the Faux Filter Foundation by Huda Beauty for full coverage. The shade I use is Butter Pecan. And then I use a blender just to blend out any creases or lines from the brush. Back to my Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to be applying just a few dots under my under eyes for actually concealing. And then I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to use this one to actually highlight. So I'm going to apply it under my under eyes. I'm also going to do a few dots in the middle of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, as well as my jawline and my cheekbones. And then I'm going to blend this all in with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to bake my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder. And I'm going to apply it more or less under my under eyes, and I like to apply it nice and thick so that it sets perfectly and I don't have any creasing. I'm also going to apply it to my jawline. For contouring, I'm going to use the KKW Beauty contour sticks. I love these for contouring. They make it so easy. They're so creamy and so easy to blend. My absolute favorite. And don't forget, if you want to know some easy tips and tricks for contouring, then don't forget to check out my video on my channel, How to Contour, Highlight, and Bake 101. And then I'm going to take the highlighting stick and I'm actually just going to highlight above my lip. This will make my lips look more plump and larger without me having to overline excessively. And then I take my Sweetie Pie bronzer and I'm just going to darken up that contour a little. For blush today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant, and I'm just going to apply a little blush. Next we have brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm going to be drawing in and darkening up my brows to give them a more crisp look. Back to my Fenty palette, I'm going to be using this really light shade and I'm going to actually be highlighting the brow line. And then I'm going to dust off all the excess setting powder because it's all set and good to go. And then I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty lashes. These ones are the lashes in Jade. These ones are really nice. After I apply my lashes, I take my eyeliner again and I just line along the lash line that I just applied and I darken it up in the inner corner. And then I'll take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm going to take the shade Black Truffle and I'm going to apply it in the bottom inner corners, or outer corners, sorry, and I'm going to darken it up just to give it a bit of more of a smoky effect. And then the highlighting palette I'm using today is the Pink Sands, and I'm going to highlight. I use the Farsali Rose Gold drops, and then I use this lip scrubber that I got from Sephora, and I'm just going to exfoliate my lips and make them nice and smooth for when I apply lipstick. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Lip Contour and Strobe Kit from Huda Beauty. This one is the shade, and it has Trophy Wife, which is one of my favorite shades to use by Huda Beauty. And first I'm going to go in and line my lips. And then I'm going to apply the mini Trophy Wife. And then I'm going to apply the Strobe over top to give it more shine. I love putting the Strobe over top. It looks so good. And next we're going to do hair. These elastics that match my costume, and I'm going to use those. I had to take the straps down on the side of the costume because they were making it really difficult for me to put my arms back and actually tie up my hair, so I took those down. And I'm just going to tie my hair up into like a pony, but a loose pony, so that it kind of hangs down. And then I take one of the elastics and I'm going to put it at the top here. It's going to be more of like that Princess Jasmine effect because she kind of has it, so it's not quite a braid. And then I'm going to apply another one almost down at the bottom, so I have one
bump, I guess, right in the middle. Then I'm going to take the headpiece that she wears and I'm just going to tie it up around the back of my neck. And then I'm going to take my favorite hoop earrings. I call these my trap earrings. And I'm going to use these for my earrings for my Princess Jasmine look because they're my thick gold ones and they just kind of pulled the look together.
And there you have it. That's how I completed this look for Halloween, and I will link all of the products I use in the description down below, so take a look. I will also link my costume there as well so you can see exactly what my costume looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!